Welcome to TEL 240, Electronics Technology. In this course, students will journey on an introductory study of AC and DC electricity, residential wiring, laser, and other practical electronic applications. Let's head inside and learn a little bit more about what is happening in the electronics lab.
Hi, my name is Zachary Hilbert and I'm the TA for TEL 240 Electronics Technology. In this class, you mostly do hands-on activities in electronics, and you use things such as the oscilloscopes, ammeters, there's power supplies, you learn how to solder and just use breadboards to make basic circuits.
My name is Damani, my major is informational science and I'm a junior currently. My first impression of the class was that it was pretty hard, still is, but at least we get to do some fun projects like making an LED light glow and things like that. My favorite project was the motor one where we hooked up a power source to, I guess, a piece of wire and made it spin. And I heard we're doing a robot type thing later on, like where you make a robot control it, so I'm looking forward to that. That sounds pretty fun.
Matthew Laba, technology education. I am a sophomore this year.
I'm Andrew Moreno. I'm a technology education major, and I'm a junior.
The project I'm really looking forward to would have to be the Scuttlebot, to watch that thing like move around, and it'd be cool to work on.
And then project I'm looking forward to is also the Scuttlebot. Just cool being able to make motors like that, having them run across the floor. It's kind of like the sense of like, yeah, I kind of understand all this electronic stuff now.
My name is Tiffany Chong and I'm a second-year technology education major. One of the first impressions of electronics is that it can be really overwhelming, and the complex content in this class can also be overwhelming, but after understanding these concepts, it's really interesting to actually apply these concepts to real-life applications.
Throughout the semester, the knowledge that students learn with the math, which is calculations and formulas, along with all the circuitry knowledge, it comes together for a final design challenge where the teacher presents you with a problem and you use all of the electronics knowledge that you've gained throughout the semester to come up with a solution that you then present to the professor.